Splitwise doesn't have a dedicated refund button, but you can easily record a refund by adding a negative expense, essentially a payment back to the group or person. This reduces the debt or creates a credit. Steps to add a refund: open the Splitwise app or website and log in. Go to the group where the original expense was added, or use Add. Add an expense if no group. Tap Add an expense or the plus icon. Enter the details. Amount. Enter the refund amount as a negative number, or use the You Paid field and set it to 0 while the other person receives the negative. Description: write something clear like refund for the original expense or returning overpayment. Paid by: select the person giving the refund. Split: choose the same split method as the original expense, for example, equally, by shares, or unequally, so it reverses correctly. Date: use the date the refund occurred, or today. Tap Save or Add.